Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Constant Contact account step by step clearly. To activate your Constant Contact account, begin by visiting the Constant Contact website. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your registered email address in the space provided. Click on Continue to proceed to the next step. You will receive an email from Constant Contact to activate your account. Open your email inbox and locate the activation email. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, click on the link provided to activate your account. This will redirect you to a new page in your web browser. Here, you will be prompted to create a password for your account. Choose a strong password that meets the required criteria. Enter your password in the designated field and confirm it by typing it again. After that, click on the Create Password button. You may need to provide additional information, such as your name and company details. Fill in the required fields accurately. Once completed, click on the Continue button to proceed. You will then be taken to the Constant Contact dashboard. From here, you can start exploring the features and tools available to you. Congratulations, your Constant Contact account is now activated and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve accounts. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.